Okay, so now we're going to move on to multiplying double-digit numbers by triple-digit numbers. Very similar to what we've done before, except now we're going to add just one more place value. All right, here's an example of what I'm talking about. You've got 3 digits on the top, two digits on the bottom, okay? And the steps are pretty much the same. You're going to go down and diagonal, always starting on the right, of course. Then you're going to go diagonal and down, which we'll get to again in case you forgot. All right, first thing I'm going to do, remember I always start on the right. I'm going to circle the ones digit on the bottom. This is to remind me that everything in this first sequence focuses on the 9. Everything. Like that, okay? So we're zooming in on this, all right? We're going to multiply all 3 digits by 9, all right? Starting on the right. 3 times 9, 27. Bring down the 7. Carry the 2. Plus sign. Remember, when you get really good with your times tables, you'll get this down. Diagonal now to the 9. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 2 is 38. Bring down the 8. Carry the 3. Another plus sign. Got to include that. 6 times 9 is 54. Plus 3 is 57. Bring down the 7. Where does the 5 go? Can't go up because there's nothing to put it on top of. So the 5 goes down. Comma time. 1, 2, 3 to the left. Comma always goes there. That's how the number system works. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. All the way to infinity, right? Well, you know what I mean. So now I've done the 9. I've focused on the 9. I'm done with it now. So I'm going to cross out this 9. And I'm also going to cross out these 2 little numbers with the plus signs because I don't want to confuse myself anymore. All right? I'm done with them. So I don't worry about them anymore. Now I'm going to focus strictly on the 2, which is in the tens place. But even though I'm only focusing on the tens place, I can't pretend the ones didn't exist. I know that I crossed out the 9. But I still got to hold the ones place. What do I use? The classic placeholder, the 0. The 0 goes down here. That's because when you multiply by 2, everything's going down here, but you still need that ones place. Remember, this is not a 2. This is a what? It's a 20. Don't forget, it's a 20. Never forget that. Now I'm going to go diagonal and down. 3 times 2 is 6. No carrying so far. 4 times 2 is 8. We lucked out, no carrying. 6 times 2 is 12. Bring down the 2. Don't forget the comma. 1, 2, 3 places to the left. Can't carry the 1. Once again, nothing here. Drop it down with it. Now I draw an underline because I'm done. I'm done with this part. Actually, I'm done with the whole multiplication part now. I could cross the whole thing out. All right? Now I'm strictly focusing on this. What do I do again to these 2 numbers? What operation goes with multiplication? Division, not division. Addition. I was testing you. Addition, right? So I'm going to put a plus sign here. Now with division, we subtract when we go down here. When we multiply, we add when we come down here, okay? So we're going to add now because the numbers are going to get bigger, all right? As opposed to division where they get smaller. So here we go, straight down. 7, 14, carry the 1. That's 16, don't get the little 1. 8, 1, comma, and there we go. That's my answer, all right? You could always pause it, go through the steps, and then, eventually you'll see how it all flows. Okay, but just to be sure, we're going to do one more, all right? We're going to do one more just to be on the safe side. And you could always replay this. Don't forget. Here's my other example I had in mind. This time I'm going to do it silently and a little bit faster. Pause it if you need to. And the reason why I'm doing this is I want you to be able to get it without me stopping you, okay? So here we go. I'm just going to show you as we go. Sorry. Okay. Once again, sorry about the little glitch there. We'll do another one, but that's that. Okay, we're going to do one more. This time, straight through, no mistakes this time. I'm counting on it. All right, here we go. Hopefully you found that helpful.